Now we're working new details on the aftermath of the club fire tragedy. Today, a workers' compensation court upheld the more than $1 million fine against the owners of the Station nightclub, Michael and Jeffrey Dedarian, their company, Durco. The penalty was assessed more than 8 years ago for failing to carry workers' compensation insurance. Eyewitness News reporter Steve Nielsen joins us now live in the newsroom with more.
Well, Mike, a decade after the fire, more than 8 years since the penalty was initially enforced, we finally know the outcome of an appeal by Michael and Jeffrey Dedarian and their company, Durco. The Station nightclub fire. It took 100 lives and injured many more. Now, a decision in one case that sat in limbo for years. 8.5 years ago, brothers Jeffrey and Michael Dedarian and their company Durco were issued a penalty of more than $1 million for failing to purchase workers' compensation insurance for their employees as required by law. The Dedarians appealed that penalty. In 2005, the brothers filed for bankruptcy, and the appeal was put on hold. Well, now, after years of waiting and delays, a ruling has come down. Eyewitness News obtained this 17-page ruling. In summary, a 3-judge panel unanimously denied the appeal. The Dedarians argued they were protected under the law because they were a limited liability company, or LLC. But one of the judges wrote in part, "We believe that the legislature never intended to protect those who manage the affairs of an LLC to flagrantly violate the law for almost 3 years to the detriment of their employees." According to court documents, the Dedarians and Durco have yet to pay the penalty. An attorney for the Dedarians did not return our phone calls for a comment, and the Rhode Island Department of Labor and Training also did not have a comment. Reporting live in the newsroom, Steve Nielsen, Eyewitness News.